Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about one of the most powerful Excel function, average function. The average function calculates the mean of a set of numbers. Its syntax will look like this. I have a set of number here. Let's find its average using average function. For that, first start with equal, then average. Then we have to give our data range and close the bracket, enter. That's it. Like this we can find the mean of a set of numbers using average function. Let's see another example. Here I have a few products and its sales across each quarters. From this I'm going to find what is the average of sales in one quarter for each product. For that, start with equal average. Then we have to select our data range. Here this is 4 is our data sales across each quarter, and close the bracket, enter. So for product A, average sales for a quarter is 187.5. Like this we have to apply same for this below products also. For that and just double click here. That's it. Super easy, right? Now we found what is the average sales of uh, each product across quarter. That's it for this video. Hope everyone understand what is average function and how to do that, how to use that in our Excel. Hope you everyone like this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe and support me. Thank you.